G'day guys, and welcome again to the Unsealed 4x4 Garage. Now I'm with Brad from DriveTech 4x4, and we're going to fit an automatic transmission cooler to this Hilux. Now Brad, why would you want to do that?
Great question, Evan. Excess heat is one of the killers of modern transmissions, and as four-wheel drivers, it's fair to say we put our vehicles into situations where perhaps they're generating more heat than they were originally designed for, particularly if we're towing heavy loads, we're doing a lot of extreme off-roading at low speed, in low range, where there's very low airflow through the centre of the car, or as you know, we like to modify our vehicles from time to time, and whenever you modify, you're often generating excess heat. So by fitting a DriveTech 4x4 transmission cooler can help give you a little bit of insurance against costly transmission repairs down the line.
Brilliant, okay, and you're telling me that the kits you've got, they're vehicle specific?
Yeah, absolutely. The one we've got today is vehicle specific, and what that basically means, Evan, is that the kit you buy for your vehicle will have everything you need to fit the kit to your car. And the DriveTech 4x4 cooler uses what we call a stacked plate design cooler. I've got one here, and I'd just like to show you that particularly with off-roading, you want to have a cooler that's very durable and is going to resist impact from stones and things thrown up by your mate's car in front of you. So as you can see here, this stacked plate design is quite strong. If I give it a bit of a whack with that mallet there's no damage at all. Unlike a traditional radiator type, where those fins would have collapsed if I did that, and the tube that goes through that would more than likely be compromised as well after that.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's a great kit, and our aim today is to show you how simple it is to fit it up.
Well, it's not going to do it itself, is it?
No, we better get into it.
Let's get into it.
All right.
All right, Brad, we're here at the bench. I'm seeing a pretty comprehensive list of instructions here. I know you said it was a vehicle-specific kit.
Yep.
What else comes in this kit?
Okay, well obviously with the instructions, which do give you detailed step-by-step points on how to install it. You obviously get the cooler core itself, of course, stacked plate as I mentioned. The purpose-built brackets, these brackets are designed for this particular vehicle. So we bolt the brackets to the cooler, we take the cooler to the car, and we bolt it all in. Obviously also, you've got a high-temp cooling hose and a small parts kit with all the nuts and bolts required to complete the installation.
Right, so any special tools required?
Nope, none whatsoever. Basic hand tools.
Basic hand tools.
Basic hand tools and basic do-it-yourself knowledge.
Okay, and how long would you think this kit would take to install?
You know, I would say probably half an hour to an hour.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. There's some big gains.
Yep.
Now, for the good folk at home, where can they get one of these for their four-wheel drives?
As with all our DriveTech 4x4 products, Evan, drivetech4x4.com.au is the website to go to for our full product range and a full list of all of our stockists as well.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for your help.
Good on you, mate.
Cheers, mate.